Alright guys, this week we are talking about suffixes. A suffix is something that comes at the end of the word and it tells either how many, it can tell when something happened. This week we are going to be talking about the suffix s and es. Okay, now each of these has a different rule we have to follow when we add an s or an es to make a plural. Now a plural means more than one. Okay, so the rule for our s is it will come after a short vowel consonant. To make something plural with a short vowel consonant, we just add an s. The other is the suffix es, and we add es when we have the suffix, or when we have a word that ends with s, ch, sh, x, or z. Okay, so I'll give you a couple of examples here, and you'll see this on the next slide. So here we have the word dog. Okay, so we have our short vowel O and our consonant G, dog. So I have to choose between the S and the ES. Okay, so does this end in S, CH, SH, X, or Z? Right, it does not. So if it doesn't, we're just going to add the S to the end of it to make dogs. If I added the ES, it would look kind of funny anyway, because now it would say dog-s. Okay, and we don't want that. So we're going to add that S there. Okay, let's move down to the word brush. Does this end in S, CH, SH, X, or Z? Right, it ends in SH. So when a word ends in SH, we're going to add the ES to it and make it brushes. Okay, so make sure you follow these rules, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to do slide 3 and slide 4 to add the S or the ES. Okay, so drag the S or ES up into the box like I did here, and you guys will be well on your way. Have fun, guys.